Yep, it's a little rainy this morning. Hasn't rained yet, but I hope it does. Welcome back. This is Saturday morning. This is the morning that you're going to be watching the video of me planting this asparagus, and I want you to look. In about 3 days, I fed it with that fish oil, and man, these things have shot up out of the ground. Get this one over here. Look at that thing. That is really coming. Of course, we won't eat any of this. It takes them a couple years to establish, and we want all that growth to go to the roots and feed them. So won't be eating any of that. Oh, we might pick a couple stalks off, but anyway, we're going to be putting a drip irrigation in the greenhouse today. So I thought you might want to check that out. So let's go. Well, as you can see, the green beans are doing real well. The lettuce over there, it's doing good. The beets are right there, they're coming. And over on the back side over there, the collard greens are doing real well. See those over there against the wall. But man, everything grows fast in these greenhouses. I mean, we got our tomatoes right here. That's what we're working on to getting in the ground either today or Monday. And we got some peppers over there. But let's get this drip irrigation laid out. All right, the two main components of these drip irrigation systems are the drip tape. As you can see, it's a flat tape. We're going to put that under, we're going to put it on every row, but over there we're going to put it under the landscape fabric. And then you've got your main line. This is 3/4 inch, and you can see it's a hard plastic, and that's your, they call it a header line, but we'll use that and lay that out. And what we'll do, we'll staple this down to the ground wherever, and these are all of our fittings and our filters, and you got to have a regulator or to blow it out. But let's get this laid out. All right, I got my little jig made there where we can roll that out, and we're going to roll it, and I'll show you how we're going to roll it. Okay, this tape has slits in it. If you can see that or not. Get pretty close. See that slit right there? We're going to lay the slits down on this, and we're going to pin it. And we're putting our rows 3 feet apart. We'll pin it down, and then we'll put the landscape fabric over it. So here we go. Alright, we got our drip tape stretched out and stapled, holding it on both ends, and went down and put a staple in the along the way, so when we lay this landscape fabric down, it won't pull it apart. But let's put some fabric on it and see what we can do. I wanted to show you this fabric. I got this from a company named Vevor, V-E-V-O-R, and you probably seen their ads around. But if you want a pretty decent quality at a real good price, they're the way to go. This piece that I have here is 15 by 100. And I want to think that they had it on sale, and I think I gave $125 for it, something like that. They ship it free, and when they ship something, it gets here the next day or the day after. I mean, it's real quick, and I'm real impressed with them. But anyway, we're going to tack this up against the wall over there and get this spread out and stapled down. And we'll end the video. This video here, this is part 1 of the drip irrigation, and the next one we'll come back, we'll burn holes, get our plants in there, and get all of our tubing set up, and we'll show you how that's done. So hey, appreciate y'all watching. See you next time.